everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your controller not working in Battlefield RedSec on PC. Whether you're using an Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or generic controller, I'll walk you through all the steps to get it working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Battlefield RedSec and select Properties. Click on the Controller tab on the left side. Find the option that says Override for Battlefield RedSec. From the drop-down menu, select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and see if your controller works. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same setting and change it to Disable Steam Input. Then, test again. Sometimes, certain controllers work better with Steam Input turned off. Solution 2. Open Steam again. Click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Here, make sure to only enable the controller type you actually use. If you use an Xbox controller, check Xbox configuration support. If it doesn't work, try disabling it. If you use a PlayStation controller, look for PlayStation configuration support. Try toggling between not enabled and enable in games without support. For Switch controllers, do the same under Switch configuration support. If you're using a generic controller, enable generic Gamepad configuration support. Optional. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you're on Windows and use an Xbox Gamepad. Once you've made the changes, relaunch Battlefield RedSec and test your controller. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand the section called Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad or controller in the list. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. This refreshes your controller's connection in Windows and often fixes recognition issues. Now try launching Battlefield RedSec again. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click your gamepad again. Select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your gamepad driver and press Next. Wait for Windows to install the driver. Then relaunch Battlefield RedSec and test your controller. And that's it. After following these steps, your controller should now work perfectly in Battlefield RedSec. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.